Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for tech insights and reviews. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of home networking with the TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. Let's kick things off by unboxing the TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. This nifty device is here to revolutionize the way you connect to the internet at home. But what exactly is Powerline, you ask? Well, imagine turning your home's electrical wiring into a wired network. That's precisely what Powerline adapters do, allowing data to flow seamlessly through your walls and floors. The TP-Link AV1000 makes this process incredibly easy and efficient. Let's delve into what makes the TP-Link AV1000 stand out. First, it's built on the HomePlug AV2 standard, offering blazing fast data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or simply surfing the web, it's got you covered. And speaking of speed, this adapter comes with a gigabit port, ensuring ultra-fast data transfers. Connect your smart TVs, gaming consoles, or PCs via Ethernet for rock-solid performance, even for bandwidth-hungry activities like 4K streaming. Setup couldn't be easier with TP-Link's plug-and-play design. Connect one adapter to your router and plug the other into an outlet in another room. Then, simply connect your internet-enabled device via Ethernet, and voila, you're good to go. But here's where it gets really convenient. The TP-Link AV1000 comes with an integrated AC pass-through power socket. This means you're not sacrificing an outlet for your networking needs. Plug your smart TV or gaming console directly into the adapter, and no socket goes to waste. Now, let's talk about efficiency. TP-Link cares about power consumption, and that's evident with the built-in power-saving mode. It automatically switches from working mode to power-saving mode, reducing energy usage by up to 85%. That's great for your wallet and the planet. And guess what? This adapter is compatible with all TP-Link AV Powerline adapters. It's essential to remember that Powerline adapters need to be deployed in sets of 2 or more for connectivity. Also, they must be on the same electrical circuit. So, there you have it, the TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. It's your ticket to fast, reliable, and hassle-free home networking. If you want to enjoy seamless 4K streaming, lag-free gaming, or just need to extend your network's reach, this little powerhouse has got your back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights here at Product Critique. I'm your host, signing off. Stay connected.